All right, everyone, here's your DG weekend weather report for February 21st and 22nd. Let's break down the top 10 tournaments happening across the country and what kind of conditions players can expect. We're going to kick things off with the Frostbite Open in Opelika, Alabama. This is a 2-day PDGA A tier event, and on Saturday, we're looking at high around 73, scattered showers are possible, so don't forget the towel, and winds around 8 miles an hour. As we roll into Sunday, it's going to be much cooler with a high of 56 degrees, mostly sunny, and winds picking up a bit at 10 to 15 miles an hour. So Sunday sets up a little bit cleaner, but the wind is still going to dictate a lot of shots.
Now that the cooler air pushes north, let's move into North Carolina. The 25th annual Buckhorn Open will be in New Hill, North Carolina. It is a 2-day B tier tournament. Saturday, upper 40s and low in the 50s. Partly cloudy skies, winds 8 to 12 miles per hour. And as we roll into the championship Sunday, very similar setup. Partly cloudy, breezy, and cool. So nothing too extreme, but steady wind all weekend will demand precision.
All right, and let's slide west along that same cool pattern to the Plastic Explosive Open in Graysville, Tennessee. This is a 1-day B tier, and the outlook for Saturday looks like highs in the low 50s, partly cloudy, winds at 7 to 12 miles an hour. Cool air combined with that steady breeze is going to definitely tighten the scorecards.
Now let's step up into the bluegrass state, into collegiate disc golf, where they're having the Bluegrass Classic in Lexington, Kentucky by the University of Kentucky. And our very own Tennessee Vols disc golf team will be playing at. It's a 2-day collegiate tournament. Saturday, mid 40s, mostly cloudy, winds 8 to 12 miles per hour, and temperatures rebound slightly into Sunday. Sunday, upper 40s, partly sunny with a light breeze. So there'll be cold conditions, mean stamina and focus will matter down the stretch into the doubles rounds.
And if you're looking for warmer air this weekend, head out to the Northwest Florida Disc Golf Championship. This is in Panama City, Florida. And it's a 1-day C tier event. Saturday looking to be upper 60s, mostly sunny with that light coastal breeze. And this is easily the most comfortable scoring weather around the country this weekend.
Back inland, as cooler air settles into South Carolina, we have the Aiken County Open in Aiken, South Carolina. I believe that's how you say it. Sorry, guys. It is a C tier. That's a 2-day, lows in the 60s, partly cloudy, winds 8 to 10 miles per hour. As we transition to Sunday, we'll have temperatures in the mid 50 and breezy. So moderate wind could create some momentum swings late in the round. So make sure you bring those stable discs.
Yep, and the Carolinas are staying busy this weekend. We've got the Lou Mill Classic in Elizabethton, North Carolina. This is a 2-day PGA C tier event. And Saturday is going to be pretty chilly, upper 40s to low 50s, pretty cloudy and breezy as well. And then the pattern holds into Sunday, still similar temperatures and a pretty steady wind. So classic North Carolina winter golf.
Now, winding down the map and heading into the Midwest, we have the Collegiate Showcase in Columbia, Missouri. It's a 2-day collegiate event. It'll be in the upper 40s, partly cloudy, winds near 10 miles per hour, improving slightly for the final round Sunday, which will be in the 50s, low 50s, mostly sunny. So Sunday may offer a slight scoring edge if the wind cooperates.
All right, and let's head out west to the desert. We've got the SUDGA series at Quail Creek, and that's in Hurricane, Utah. This is a C tier event. On Saturday, we've got mid 50s, sunny skies, and winds at 10 to 15 miles an hour. The sunshine is nice, but that wind is not forgiving.
And we close things out back in North Carolina. Snow or shine showdown in Rockingham, North Carolina. It is a 1-day C tier event, low 50s, partly cloudy, winds 8 to 12 miles per hour. Tight technical lines plus steady breeze equals volatility.
So nationally this weekend, Alabama sees some early storm chances before cooling off. The Carolinas and Kentucky stay chilly and breezy. Tennessee remains cool but playable, and Florida gets the sunshine advantage, and the wind is going to be a defining factor almost all across the country. So if you're competing, definitely pack layers, extra towels, an extra jacket, maybe even an umbrella, and definitely expect those wind gusts. Make sure you got your overstable disc as well. Good luck this weekend, and we'll see you next Thursday for another DG weekend wrap up.
Good luck.